Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I have for you an unboxing video. Oh yeah, let's get straight into it because I want to open it and I've been waiting to open it with you guys. So yeah. Okay, my address doesn't show. This is what it came in. And this is a handbag. I'm probably gonna pronounce it wrong, but the brand TELFAR, is that what it's called? Oh my god, I don't even know the name. TELFAR. I'll put it on the screen for you guys. Anyways, I saw this bag for the first time. So I saw this bag for the first time in, I think, a nude color. I had no idea what brand it was, what bag it was, and I don't know, somehow I found it online and I didn't think much of it. And then I kind of saw like the background of the brand and all that, and I was like, I need one. But I noticed that the minute they put it on sale, it sells out instantly. So this time I looked up how to secure a bag. So yeah, I'm gonna let you guys know that at the end, how to make sure you cop a bag because it gets crazy. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It looks like this. Okay, yeah, the name was TELFAR. It's like this. So it comes in a Ziploc bag, and inside it has a drawstring bag. I got the color black, in case you guys are wondering, and I wanted to get, well, I eventually want to get the nude and the brown, but I wanted to start off with black. And yeah, I know the bag is small, I got the smallest size, but this one is like so tiny. It's so cute. So this is what it looks like. Comes with this thing. We're gonna take off. I don't want to rip it. Oh, it's so cute and tiny. And the straps. Okay, one thing that I found like different is that the straps are doubled and most bags just bring like a single strap. So this is what it looks like. Oh, it feels good. The material feels good. They're pretty long. I'm average height, 5'5" around there, so I'm pretty sure it'll fit me like right at my hips, waist area. It has this little tag with the name and the year, and inside it has this logo, and it does not have a zipper or anything inside, just a little button to close. So yeah, I mean, is it worth the price? I mainly bought it to support the brand and because I think it's super cute. I love small bags. But yeah, it's really small, guys. Like, look, I don't know what to compare it to, but it is really small. But I love it. I'm happy with my purchase. And yeah, if you guys want to see like updated what's in my TELFAR bag, let me know in the comments below and I will do that for you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this unboxing. And yeah, so I was about to leave and not tell you guys how to secure your own bag. So what you want to do is sign up for their emails. Also create an account on their page so that your information is already there. The day of the launch, they'll send it by email like a day before, or on social media they'll announce what day they plan to launch and the colors and whatever. So let's say the launch is tomorrow at 9 a.m. what you want to do is at 8:55 you want to log in to the account, and you just want to be there on the page, logged in with your address saved already. And when it's about 8:58, you go to the item you want. Even though it says sold out, you go to the item, you click on it, and while you're on that page, you just refresh it until it's 9 a.m. When it's 9 a.m., even if it says sold out, just keep doing that, and it'll eventually show you add to cart, and that's when you'll add it to your cart, and then the process is smooth from there. But you have to be on that page before the launch time. Okay, so yeah guys, that's all. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video. If you have any questions, leave them down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. And yeah, bye.